In this video, I'm going to go over hidden keyboard shortcuts. This is part one, where I'm going to talk about the most useful, most popular ones. And then part two will be more less known options that are still very useful. But let's get started. For all these shortcuts, I'm going to list both the Windows shortcut and the Mac shortcut. We'll start with the opening a new browser tab. I use this all the time. Command T on a Mac, and you open a new browser tab. Super simple, but very useful. This next one is kind of the opposite. Command W closes the current tab that you're using. All right, this next one, Command Shift T, is great for when you accidentally close the tab, and to get it back real quick, just Command Shift T and it will reopen. Control Tab is great for skipping from tab to tab in your browser. Just Control Tab, and there you go. Super helpful if you have a lot of tabs open. Next, we have the OG of keyboard shortcuts, Command C, Command V, and Command X for copy, paste, and cut in that order. And these are ones that probably the first ones you learn when you get a computer, but still super useful. This might actually be the most useful of all the keyboard shortcuts. Command Z is super useful if you make a mistake and need to undo it. Delete something by accident, Command Z. Command A, which selects all, really goes hand in hand with Command V and Command C, because you typically have to select all before you copy and paste. Command F, or Find, is another super useful one. It helps you search for text on a page or a document. Super useful. Command Tab is another good one, a lot like Control Tab, that allows you to look at different browser tabs. Command Tab allows you to switch between all your open apps and select one. Command Shift 5 is another one that I use all the time to take screenshots and screen recordings. Super useful. And that's all of them. Hopefully, let me know which one you like the best or which one you use most often. Leave any questions in the comments. Thanks.